watching Casablanca. Back row of the drive-in show in flickering light. Popcorns and cokes beneath the stars became champagne and caviars, making love on a long hot summer's night. I thought you fell in love with me watching Casablanca, holding hands near the battle fence in Rick's candlelit cafe, hiding in the shadows from the spies, Moroccan moonlight in your eyes, making magic out the movies in your own ocean. Oh, a kiss is still a kiss in Casablanca. Kiss is not a kiss without your side. Please come back to me in Casablanca. I love you more and more each day as time goes by. I guess there are many broken hearts in Casablanca. You know I've never really been there, so I don't know. I guess our love story will never be seen on the big white silver screen, but it hurts just as bad